Hey, so it's 5:45 in the morning and I'm showing you the results of my hair. So I'm gonna start taking them out. I'm just on the side. Okay. Okay, so that's the thing to think about in your hair bands. So you just wanna go like that. Loosen them and then pull them apart. Oops, not one. Okay. So, this is what my hair looks like. Okay. So, it's wavy. Okay. And they're not that tight. They're kind of loose, but that's okay. Because you don't want it too tight. You just want it kind of wavy. Okay, so that's the results of my hair. Oops, okay. Since I have layered hair, I couldn't braid it down all the way to the bottom, so that's why they're kind of straight at the bottom, but you don't have to do that. You can braid it down to the bottom if you want to, if you have all one length hair, or if you have longer layers. So yeah, this is the result of braided hair when it's wet, and it's 5:50 in the morning. Yeah, thank you for watching. Good night.